This is going to take a long time because we're in the middle of building a Habitat for Humanity house here in the Diocese of Gary. So at the rate I'm going, I need to ask the question, does anybody know an excavator? It's going to go a lot faster than what I can possibly do here on my own. But Habitat shows us that when people come together for a great cause of giving people hope and a home that they own, that people flourish. And that when we come together, we can do great things that none of us can do by ourselves. And so I'm excited and happy and grateful that our diocese has formed this great partnership with Habitat for Humanity of Northwest Indiana and Catholic Charities to build Tabor House, which will give hope to transitional families as they are transformed and come to a point of self-sufficiency and flourishing.